Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Beta, welcome to another free maths class, that the initiative that we have taken to help you get through your basics of mathematics properly. So, beta, what we were doing was the set theory. ठीक है जी? In set theory, we had already gone ahead and done first, what is set? How do you represent set? Then beta, we had gone ahead and we had talked about sets in set builder form and roster form. ये हमने कर लिया, ये पुराने lectures में available है. Then beta, next thing what we had gone ahead and we had done was, what is finite set and infinite set. ये भी हमने कर लिया. Post that, we talked about equal sets in one of the classes, right? After that, we talked about subsets, and after subsets, in the last class, I also talked about closed and open intervals, and I also talked about Venn diagram and operations of set. ये सब हम पिछली classes में कर चुके हैं. We have already gone ahead and done all of this. But today I want to continue with this, and union of set हमने कर लिया था, and I want to go ahead and I want to go further with the intersection of set. तो यहाँ पे देखो, जो हमने last पढ़ा था वो union of set था और उसकी properties थी. आज जो हम पढ़ेंगे वो intersection of sets होगा. So please write down the next topic for today, that is intersection of sets. This is the next topic, intersection of set. Now, please understand, when I say intersection of set, I am interested in those elements which come in both A and B. So how do I write intersection of set? A intersection B will have those elements. इसको roster format में मैं लिख रही हूँ बेटा. X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So when we go ahead and we write X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B, that is known as intersection. So beta, एक बार एक example ले लेते हैं. Let's take an example. So let's say that I have A, and this A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. ठीक है. And I have B, and B are just even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now I'm asking what will be A intersection B. So A intersection B means those elements which will be in A and which will be in B. So what will I have? I have 2 in both of them. I have 4 in both of them, 6 in both of them, and 8 in both of them. है ना? So I will get 2, 4, 6, and 8. This will be A intersection B. Now, supposedly, you go ahead and you get that A intersection B is coming as 5. Sorry, यहाँ से not equal to हटाओ. It is coming as 5. That means A intersection B, it is coming as a null set. There is nothing common between A and B. How do I represent this beta in a Venn diagram? This is A and this is B. There is nothing common between them. इसको कैसे represent करते? This is A, this is B, and I have common elements 2, 4, 6, 8. So I have common between A and B. But suppose I don't have anything common between A and B, then beta, in that case, A and B, they are known as disjoint sets. So when you don't have anything common between A and B, then they are called as disjoint set. I hope this is clear to you. There are some properties of intersection also. Okay, so the first property, whether you do A intersection B or B intersection A, बेटा काम तो सेम ही कर रहे हो कि A और B के बीच का कॉमन पार्ट निकाल रहे हो. So whether you do A intersection B or you do B intersection A, you are doing the same thing, and this is known as the commutative law. Okay, beta. Second property. The second property says that if you do A intersection B, that means you find common between A and B. और जो भी common आता है, you find it's common with C. Or you find common between B and C first, and then it's common with A. Beta, you will get the same answer. This is known as associative law. Okay. Associative law. Next property. Beta, third. If you find common between A and null, तो एक में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, उसका कॉमन ए के साथ क्या होगा? कुछ भी नहीं, because null is null. So that will give you 5. Similarly, if you find common between universal and A, so beta imagine this, ये पूरा का पूरा universal है, this is entire is universe, और ये A है, तो A और universe के बीच का common part कौन सा है? यही तो common है जो दोनों में आ रहा है. So common between universe and A is A. These two are very important properties. Common between phi and A will be phi, and common between universe and A will be A. Beta, next property, fourth property. If I go ahead and I find common between A and A, that will be A only, na? दोनों same ही तो चीज है, तो A और A के बीच का common will be A. Beta, this is known as idempotent law. I hope this is clear. ठीक है. Now, एक बहुत important property है जो मैं आज सिखाने जा रही हूँ, and that is known as distributive law. ये ध्यान से समझो, ये intersection और union को combine करता है. The distributive law combines intersection and union. So you have A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. ठीक है, या उल्टा भी हो सकता है. Suppose you can also have A intersection B union C. ये भी हो सकता है. Whenever you have intersection and union coming together, then the intersection distributes itself over the union. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये है कि ये जो intersection है ना, ये इसके साथ और इसके साथ लग जाता है. मतलब this is going to give you A intersection C union A intersection, sorry, A intersection B ले लो पहले, C. So it is going to distribute itself. That is what the question is saying. एक बार example देख लेते हैं. Suppose example. Beta A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Beta B is 3, 4, 5, 6. C is 5, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है जी. अब एक बात बताओ मुझे कि B यूनियन C क्या होगा? वो एलिमेंट्स जो B और C दोनों में आ रहे हैं, तो ये सारे एलिमेंट्स लेने पड़ेंगे. क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स हो जाएंगे बेटा? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. ये हो गया मेरा B यूनियन C. अब अगर इस B यूनियन C का मैं A के साथ इंटरसेक्शन कर दूं, A के साथ इसके कॉमन एलिमेंट्स निकाल लूं, तो इसमें और A में क्या कॉमन है? व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन A एंड दिस? बेटा कॉमन बिटवीन A एंड दिस विल बी 3 and 4. So this will be your final answer. अब रिवर्स करो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड कॉमन बिटवीन A एंड B. तो बेटा A और B के बीच में कॉमन क्या है? 3 and 4 है ना. फाइंड कॉमन बिटवीन A एंड C. बेटा A और C के बीच में कॉमन क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. सो A एंड C के बीच में कॉमन क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. अब इन दोनों का यूनियन कर दो. सो बेटा यहाँ के सारे एलिमेंट्स लोगे और यहाँ के सारे एलिमेंट्स लोगे, यहाँ तो कोई एलिमेंट ही नहीं है. सो आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 3,4. So please try and understand that you are getting the same answer. This is the distributive property. Distributive property क्या कहता है? That intersection distributes over union. ये जो intersection था, ये individually हर element के साथ लग गया. It has distributed itself over the union. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now let us go on to the next property, beta. So the next property that I have is this. Difference of sets. That's the next property, difference of sets. Very important. Beta, this can come in multiple exams, especially in CUET. Difference of sets is something which is very, very important. So let us go ahead and let us see. Now I am saying, thank you, beta, for showering love on ArthaPoint. Thank you so much. Okay, so now we go ahead and we say A minus B. A minus B means what? A minus B means those elements which basically are there in A but not in B. A minus B. B ke elements ko you have to remove the elements of B. That is A minus B. So just have a look here, beta. I am saying A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Beta, B is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8. When I say A minus B, it means I will remove the elements of B. So how will I write that? X, such that X should belong to A. And I need to remove the elements that belong to B. So, but X should be removed if it belongs to B. Subtract those. Minus, I can just put a sign minus, those elements which belong to B. So how can I go ahead and how can I write that? I am going to remove which elements, beta? 2, 4, 6, and 8. So I will remove 2, I will remove 4, I will remove 6, 8 is not there. So A minus B will give me 1, 3, 5. Beta, can you quickly do B minus A? So B minus A will be those elements which are there in B but not there in A. So how will I go ahead and how will I do that, beta? So I am going to go ahead and I am going to, this was my 8. It should be there in B, but it should not be there in A. A wale elements will be removed. So A had 2, I have to remove 2. I'm subtracting A elements. 4 is there in A, I have to remove 4. 6 is there in A, I have to remove 6. So I will only be left up with 8. So B minus A will be 8. Very, very important property that I want to come to. The property is that beta A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Very important. You see, A minus B is coming as 1, 3, 5. You see, B minus A is coming as 8. So A minus B and B minus A are not equal to each other. They are different from each other. And this can again come in your CUET exam. So you have to be very sure that you understand this property well. The two are not equal. Let me show you this using a Venn diagram also better. So just think about this. This is A. This is B. When I do A minus B, I remove the elements of B from A. So I'm left up with these elements. I'm left up with these. But when I do B minus A, it means this is A, this is B. From B, I remove the elements of A. So beta, I am left up with this. Can you see that the two are not equal? A minus B and B minus A are not equal to each other. This is exactly what we are saying, that A minus B and B minus A are not equal to each other. Okay. Now, I want to pass a statement, very difficult statement, and you will tell me if this is true or not. So the statement I want to pass is the following. The set A minus B, A intersection B, and B minus A are mutually disjoint sets. You have to tell me whether this statement, that the set A minus B, A intersection B, and B minus A, whether they are mutually disjoint or not. Is this statement true or false? Let's see this better. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to make this. This is A and this is my B. Okay, beta. What will be A minus B? From A, you remove all the elements of B. So you will be left up with A without B part. This is A minus B. Beta, what is A intersection B? Elements which are common between A and B. So elements common between A and B are these. What is B minus A? From B, you remove the A part. So B without A, which is this. B without A is this. So do you see that there is nothing common between the three? If there is nothing common, they will be mutually disjoint. So the statement is true. This is an absolutely true statement. There is nothing common between them. Okay, beta? Fine. Now I want to talk about another concept here, which is called as complement of set. What is complement of set? Complement of set, which means it's represented like this or like this. A complement. A complement means everything except A. So it is nothing but union minus A. A complement is union minus A. So I can say that A complement is all X such that X belongs to union and X does not belong to A. Those X's should not be a part of A. If I remove what X's belong to A, then I will be left up with A complement. Better let me go ahead and let me give you some question on this. So please write down the question. So my union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And my A is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And I'm asking find A complement. So what will be A complement, beta? A complement will be A union minus A. So from the union, subtract what is coming in A. What you will be left up with, beta? 2, 4, 6, and 8. This will be A complement. So this is A complement. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now I want to come to an important property here. Let me just list that down. So what am I saying? I am saying that if A is a subset of U, then A complement is also a subset of U. क्यों बेटा? क्योंकि A complement U से ही तो निकला है. U में से जब मैंने A को subtract किया, then only I got A complement, ना? So A complements all elements belong to U. So it is a subset of U. Just think about this. This is A complement. What is A complement, beta? What A complement did I get? I got 2, 4, 6, and 8. Does 2, 4, 6, and 8 belong to A? It doesn't belong to U. Does it belong to my universal set? It does. So this implies that A complement is a subset of U. A is also a subset of U because A's all elements were there in U. So when A is a subset of U, A complement will also be a subset of U. That has to be there. Is this clear? Now, second property. Property number 2. Beta, A complement is A. When you go ahead and you find the complement of A complement, it will be A. Let us try this. Example. So my universal set beta is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my A is 2, 3. Beta, what will be A complement? A complement will be all elements except A. Matlab it will be 1, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 4, 5, and 6. Now I want to go ahead and I want to find the complement of this again. So when I go ahead and I find the complement of this again, that means I will remove these elements from the union. इसका complement निकालना है इस set का. तो ये set union से subtract होगा. So when I subtract 1, 4, 5, and 6, I will be left up with 2 and 3, which is nothing but A. So A complement's complement will be A itself. I hope this is clear to you. Next property. This is known as Demorgan's law. Demorgan's law. क्या कहते हैं Demorgan's law बेटा? A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Let me give you an example to this. So, question. So, beta, your union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Beta, A is 2, 3. And B is 3, 4, 5. First, I will try this. First Demorgan's law. So, can you tell me what will be A union B, beta? A union B means all elements in A and B. So, you will get 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have to find its complement, it means from union, you will subtract this. Union में से इसको हटा दो. So what will you get? You will remove 2, 3, 4, and 5. You will get beta 1 and 6. ठीक है जी. अब ये देखो, A complement क्या होगा बेटा? What will be A complement? Everything in union in the universe except A. So you will remove 2 and 3. So you will get 1, 4, 5, and 6. Beta, what is going to be B complement? You will remove everything from universe where B is present. So you will remove 3, 4, and 5. So B complement will be 1, 2, and 6. Now find the intersection between these two. A complement intersection B complement will be beta 1 and 6. Because only this is common now. 1 is coming common and 6 is coming common. So we have proved the Demorgan's law. We have proved that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. But a second one, I want you to try on your own. And what I will do is I will show you through Venn diagram. So see this. This is A. This is B. This is universe. A intersection B means common between A and B. That means this. Now, when I have to find its complement, It means everything in the universe except this. इसके अलावा सब कुछ universe का. So everything in the universe except this means beta all of this. All of this. Except this. This is your final answer. ठीक है, अब इसको solve करते हैं. Beta, this is A. This is B. This is universe. What will be A complement? Everything except A. This is A complement. What will be B complement? Everything except B. Because this is B complement. Everything except B. Now you have to find union between the two. Union means you have to take every element coming in these two sets. Every element. Common nahi lena, union lena, har element lena. So beta, every element coming in these two sets will be everything that has been highlighted. That means entirety of this except the intersection part. But this and this are coming as the same. जो यहाँ shade हुआ, जो वहाँ shade हुआ, वो तो same ही है. So again, we have proved the Demorgan's law that A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. I want you to try this using this example also, just like I proved this part. Okay. Now, I want to go ahead and I want to write all the properties of complement sets. So properties of complement sets. Okay, beta. The first property is called the complement laws. This property says that A union A complement is universe. ध्यान से समझो. Beta, this is universe. This is A. What will be complement of A? Anything other than A. This is A complement. Now, if I do union of A with A complement, won't I simply get everything here? That means I will get the universe, right? Second law. A intersection A complement is null. Beta, फिर से देखो. This is my universe. This is A. What is A intersection? Everything other than A. Everything other than A is A intersection. Right? This is A. Is there anything common between the two? Nothing, na? So I will get the pi set. Demorgan's law. I've just explained you this. I'm just writing this. A union B complement is A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. I've proved these. Next beta, ये भी हमने prove कर दिया है. Law of double complement. I've already proved this. What does this say, beta? A complement is A. When you go ahead and find complement of A, that is A itself. Okay. At last property, it says null ka complement. This is called as law of empty set and universal set. Complement of null is universe and complement of universe is null. क्योंकि universe में सब कुछ include है. तो अगर मैं universe से हटा दूंगी तो null ही बचेगा ना. So complement of universe is null and complement of null is universe. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now, with this beta, we have completed the set theory. In the next class, I will go ahead and I will take a test of set theory, and I will see how much you know. It is a test to understand how much you have understood in the set theory. And only once you confirm to me that you have understood everything in the set theory, I will go ahead and I will go to the next chapter of relations and functions. Is this clear? So I am announcing today itself that we have completed set theory. And next class, we will take a test on set theory. It will be a live test, and I will go ahead and I will give you some questions based on set theory. Okay, beta, thank you.